Good day everyone, welcome to Mark My Place Rome. I'm really excited to show you guys this another beautiful apartment po. It's located here in Via Ostiense, number 89. I'm gonna be showing you the location, the surroundings. So look at the surroundings. There are like supermarkets, even pharmacia, even restaurants, Burger King. So it's very good location, guys. It's very close to Pyramide Station by tram or by Metro B, and then Ostiense as well. It's pretty close. It's like 10 minutes walk from the station, Pyramide, and also we have train from station going to the Vatican. It's like only 3 stops, guys. So Ostiense Station, and then after that Quattro Venti, and then San Pietro. Go using the train going to the Vatican. I'm gonna be showing you guys this apartment is good for 4, and it's located in Via Ostiense number 89, 4th floor. So let's go. So it's located in the 4th floor. We have also elevators available. And this is the condominium. There's a space inside before you get to the apartment, and there's another door right here. So if you are interested to book this apartment, guys, just book in Mark My Place in Rome. This is the elevator. It's very useful. So the apartment is in the 4th floor. Ayaw pang gumana. I don't know how to use this, maybe. Now it works. Number 4. So I'm available in WhatsApp if you have queries, if you have question, if you want to call, if you want further information. So we do provide also a transport service from airport to the apartment, and also we do have a private tour going to our province like Amalfi Coast, Firenze. So we do have that service as well. And also if you are going to Paris, Paris, France, and if you are looking for transport service as well, so I do have a partner over there. His name is Joseph Cristobal, so you can connect with him. So what are you waiting for, guys? So just connect with Mark My Place in Rome. I don't think. No. It works. So right after the exit, this is the apartment. So this apartment have balcony, guys. Upon entrance, you have the living room. It's very beautiful, brand new one. And in the living room, this convert as a sofa bed, and you have television. And that's my friend over there, Lorenzo, the legendary one in Rome. He's the legendary guy in Rome.
Hello.
He knew everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, and you have the dining table, kitchen right here. So in the kitchen, you have oven, induction, and then sink. Even the microwave oven is available. I think we have the fridge right here. Dishwasher, brand new. Kettle, coffee machine, and even toaster. Now let's go to the bathroom. I'll be showing you first the bathroom. The Yayamanin bathroom. Look at this, guys. So toilet and bath. So you have the shower head, like a rain shower head. Look at this. And you have also a washing machine available. And this one, the smart mirror. Nakakapogi guys. Ayan. Ang ating smart mirror. Now let's go to the bedroom. This is the bedroom guys. So you have also access in the balcony. Look at these guys. All brand new. So you have air condition. This works as a hot and cold. And you also have a separate one. You can control it. Television in the bedroom. This is the heater to make the apartment warm, and you have like a private balcony here, good for two. And you have this view. I'm gonna be showing you as well the balcony in the living room. This is the surrounding. This is the whole bedroom guys. I'll be showing you. Nice interior design. Okay, so it's almost the same interior design with the one in our apartment in Garbatella, and same in Trastevere. Look at this. So you have the balcony right here with table and chairs.
Umuwi na pare ano? Umuwi na?
And this is the pinakapoging
Yun no?
aking kaibigan.
Ito lang, boy dito sa Italia.
Pa-easy-easy lang yan, ha? Tambay pogi. Ayan po, if you are interested to book this apartment, just book directly to me, Mark My Place. I'm available in WhatsApp, Viber, even in the Messenger. So I would suggest you guys, if you want to book this apartment, it's better, if you have more questions, just call me in WhatsApp to make the communications faster. And don't hesitate to call me guys or send me a message. So guys, ano pa po inaantay nyo? Book na po kayo sa Mark My Place. Thank you so much. Bye bye.